Welcome to the future of home security with AlarmTek's SmarTek Platinum Package. Your safety starts with the SmarTek Connect Hub, the brain of your smart home, keeping you connected and in control. Manage your security with ease using the intuitive SmarTek Touchpad Pro. Feel secure with our long-life door/window contacts, designed to last 10 years, ensuring your peace of mind. Detect any movement with precision thanks to the SmarTek Pro Motion Sensor. Stay ahead of environmental dangers with the EnviroTek Flood, Low Temperature, and Heat Communicator. Never miss a visitor with the Clear Vision Ultra HD doorbell camera, offering crisp, clear visuals. Extend your vision outdoors with the Clear Vision Ultra HD outdoor camera. Experience keyless convenience with the SmarTek Guardian Doorlock. Control access to your garage remotely with the SmarTek Garage Door Opener. And with SmarTek Net Protect, your home network stays secure against digital threats. The SmarTek Platinum Package from AlarmTek. Visit our website or call now to secure your home today.